are the supplies that you'll need. Be prepared to stop and draw, or pause and erase, or pause and color. Okay, so this week we're gonna draw a lion. I already sketched it on here very lightly with pencil, and you might want to remember to draw it first with pencil and then go over top of it with your pen. So first, right in the middle of your paper, you draw a W shape like that. Then right across the top of your W, draw a line. And right inside of that, a flat black oval. It's a circle that's flat and long. Then we're going to put 3 dots on each side of the oval. Then above that, we're going to put 2 little circles like that. So I think you're starting to see this looks like a lion's face. And there's his bottom jaw. So draw a little circle like that. Remember to pause and draw if I get ahead of you. Then right across the top of here, we're gonna draw some little short, a little row of upside down W's. I'm gonna connect that right there. And then alongside that row of W's, put a frontward C on this side and a backward C on that side. And then put another C inside. Then let's start right here at the bottom of his face and just do some connected C's that are all different sizes. They go all the way around his head like this. And come down right there. And then starting, and that's his big mane, starting here on each side of his mane, do a frontward C and a backward C. And then an upside down U right in the middle. So we have frontwards and backward C's and an upside down U. A line across the bottom. And then let's put his little paws on the bottom. Those are just two little part circles with some lines along the bottom for his claws. And then put a little circle back there, half of an arc there. And then a frontward C this way and a frontward C that way. And then a little S shape right there. And then another S shape right next door. And then let's draw a little pointy thing right here for his end of his tail. I want to draw some lines up there. And there you have a cute little lion. Now I'm going to watercolor my lion. And to get my watercolor started, I'm going to put a little drip of water on the colors I'm going to use. I think I'll use yellow, orange, and brown. And that way they'll start getting kind of softened up and ready to paint with. And then I also have a tissue that I can wipe my brush with.